This is me, 2 weeks before New York and Iceland.
And this is me, 2 weeks before New York and Iceland.
We're in Iceland! So we're here for 3 days.
3 nights.
3 nights, and then we're heading to New York.
Oh, I see.
It's one heck of a holiday. We're going to take you guys with us. We're going to watch Northern Lights. We're going to head into town now. We actually arrived last night, but we just kind of had food, chilled about.
Had some nummy food.
Nummy food. And today is our first... Are you? It's our first full day.
So, let's go.
So come with us.
It's wasting time.
So as we were saying, it's been dark all night and now it's 10:30. It's literally just got light.
Yeah.
And we've come out of the hotel and look at this view. But it's so cold. It's -8 and we feel like all the...
And look at the ice.
Yeah, all the sea air makes it so much colder, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Show the ice.
My stay boots don't let me do that though.
Mine shouldn't really. I've got paid a lot of money for these.
Oh my gosh, it's so windy. It's so windy.
We are frozen. Look at
Oh,
our
look
cheeks.
at red in
Oh
real
my
life.
gosh, I hope not.
I really hope
This
this
one's
is light.
big ass building.
It's heated.
It's heated. You don't understand. We walked like all across the city on the edge of the sea line. Well, no, we didn't go in the sea. Across the sea line, and it's just literally just like that liquid ice blowing in your face, isn't it?
Yeah, like I can't feel the side of my face. Like, does it look okay?
It looks red.
Like,
I
it
can't
feels
feel
like
my
it's
face.
swollen.
Yeah, I feel like my face feels like a rock. It feels like a rock. I hope it doesn't look like a rock.
I don't know if we just made a big mistake coming in here and getting warm.
I know.
To go back out to be cold. Oh my goodness.
I guess that guy likes rock and roll.
There it is.
The ice is like this thick. I still don't understand it, but I'll just test out.
I'm not going to stand on it.
See how thick the ice is? It is pretty thick. There's people over there like walking. I've walked into the middle of the ice.
I guess it is quite thick, but I am playing with life like
Don't tell our mothers. We're just sat here chilling. Turn the camera around and we see this. No, we just walked to this big church in Reykjavik. I don't know the exact name.
But it looks gorgeous little, so we'll try and get a video. And like maybe tonight or something.
Yeah, night time. Show you the cheeky
It's so
views.
pretty.
Yeah.
We're like 2 little penguins, it's so cool.
Oh, it's got my eyes watering. Oh, guys. So we just set off from Reykjavik, doing half an hour walk to this museum. We're like walking on the main road, but there's a pass. The public transport system here is great.
Yeah, we're not using
We're just
it,
saying
but-
like, no, but I mean, there's a bike lane, there's a path everywhere.
Yeah.
The crossings are really convenient.
Yeah, but we are pretty far away from where we need to be.
Yeah, oh, where are we going now actually?
Like, I don't
Right, well, we'll check in when we're at the museum. Bye. I don't know if you can see. We're in a ice cave.
Yeah, I feel like a polar bear right now. We're not literal ice
I feel like a
cave.
penguin.
It's too cold. Hey, feeling blue? Let's go.
This is trippy, dog. Look at this, it's like clear ice. It's like the ice you put in your drinks. But all in a cave. I feel like I'm like a club penguin here. I think I've just found the Queen of Narnia. There she is.
We've just gone to the observation deck.
We're at the ice cave now.
It feels like an ice cave out here.
And
And you get a 360-degree view. Iceland.
Yeah, well, it's a really good view actually. You can see everything. See the church from here as well.
Can you?
Yeah, you see the church over there. And you see all the islands down there. Is that the volcano? No.
No, I don't
because
think
there'll
it
be
is.
steam coming out of it.
Let me show you. And like this is where like the main centre of it is over here. That's where Isaac made me walk from.
No, you're completely wrong. It's down this way.
Okay, Isaac made me walk through the way then. But yeah. So we're going to finish up here. We're going to go to the lava room next, aren't we?
Yeah. I've just seen a flare. You've heard about Percy Pig, but do you want to see the Icelandic version?
It's literally the face of this place.
It's currently 8:30 PM and we're gonna go and watch the Northern Lights in Iceland.
We don't get back till 1 though. So
Yeah, it's a late night, but we'll show you
if we see it.
if we see the Northern Lights, hopefully. Let's go.
Okay.
Famous Iceland church.
And the view is amazing.
Check out this view.
You can see the rainbow tree.
The rainbow tree is down. Yeah.
There you go.
That.
There's the rainbow tree. It's cold. Isaac's going to try a licorice coffee.
Ooh, that's strong air. It's nice there.
Is it?
It feels like aniseed, but I guess that is licorice, isn't it?
And we've got this little cookie with cream.
Double cookie.
Can I try the licorice coffee? Hey, that's good.
She's feeling nonchalant. We had a whale tour booked for 1 o'clock, but it's been cancelled. And we didn't know why. And then 10 minutes later, this is why. Blueberry salt. Let's give it a go. It's got some beautiful Icelandic packaging. Oh, look at that.
I feel like trying the chocolate actually.
It's glistening.
Okay, should we break it off and try?
Taste test.
I love salt and chocolate. Blueberry, then salt and chocolate. Oh, what's not to love?
Morning 3. We've just checked out and it's been snowing a bit. I will show you what the beautiful view looks like from our eyes. Trying the famous cinnamon bun.
This is very, very
It's hot and steamy.
hot and steamy. Should I take a bite?
Yeah, taste test. Is it good?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh my god, it's so sweet.
That is good.
Bye Iceland, heading to New York.